Question number 8 on exercise 2.2c, we are asked to find the HCF of the following using index notation. HCF simply means the highest common factor. So we shall be dividing 132 and 320 repeatedly by their common prime factors. So I'm going to use the long division table, 132 and 330, beginning with the least prime number, which is 2, is 132 and 330 divisible by 2? Yes, because the last digits are said to be even numbers, which is the condition for a number to be divisible by 2. So 2 into 13 is 6 times remainder 1. 2 into 12 is 6. 2 into 3 is 1 remainder 1. 2 into 13 is said to be 6 remainder 1. 2 into 10 is 5. 2 cannot divide because 165 is not divisible by 2. Reason being that the last digit 5 is not a multiple of 2. So we test for 3. Can 3 divide? Condition for divisibility by 3 is that the sum of the digits of that number must be a multiple of 3. 6 plus 6 is 12, and 12 is a multiple of 3. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 5 is 12, is also a multiple of 3. So 3 can divide. 3 into 66 is 22. 3 into 1 it cannot. 3 into 15. 3 into 5 is said to be 5. 3 into 16 is 5. Remainder 1. 3 into 15 is 5. 3 can no longer go because they are not multiples of 3. 5 cannot go because 22 is not a multiple of 5. So when looking at it, I know that 11 can go, which is a prime factor. 11 into 22 is 2 times. 11 into 55 is 5 times. And there's no other prime number that can divide. So our HCF is now said to be equal to 2 times 3 times 11. And this is equal to 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 11 is said to be 66. So 66 is the HCF, meaning that the highest factor that can divide, the highest common factor that can divide 132 and 330 is said to be 66. So this is how you can get the highest common factor of any group of numbers. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from my daily classes. We shall now take the next question on exercise 2.2c.